Hi teacher, let me introduce myself. My name is Luis Miguel Quintero Cárdenas. I am from Ibagué, Tolima. I am 23 years old. I am a professional in international business and I am really passionate about English. This is my new project. This is divided into two parts, short term and medium term. In short term, if I study English intensively, I have better chance of getting a better job. Right now, I feel very comfortable in my job, but I would like to see more goals within the company and feel the English would help me a lot. If I control my spending, my financial life is more organized. I would like to have more control over the spending so I can be more organized with my money. In the medium term, if I save a lot of money, I will travel to Europe next year. I have only visited two countries, and that was in the last 2 years. It's made me realize that it is exactly what I would like to do the rest of my life, explore new places and cultures. So visiting Europe is now my life project. If I get a promotion at work, I will buy a car in December. Getting a promotion at my job is really a goal to fulfill my dream of having my own car. And this was my new project. Thank you for watching.